this video, we're going to show you how to configure tasks in ProcessMaker. Tasks can be used to add powerful functionality to any workflow, such as web forms or connections to external applications for an endless number of possibilities. To add a task to a process model, simply drag it from the left panel and drop it onto the process model. Click the new task to add web forms to your process simply by selecting the correct form from a drop-down menu. To view the selected form, click the link below to be instantly directed to the screen editor to view the form and make any necessary changes. There are additional options to further customize the task to make it work exactly the way you need it to. First, make sure users stay on top of important deadlines by adding a due date to the task. Use assignment rules to make sure that the task is completed by the right person for the job, no matter what. Add notifications to make sure all stakeholders are up to date on the current status of the task. In ProcessMaker, tasks put complete control of processes and their outcomes directly into your hands. Try out ProcessMaker today.